Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my room. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Welcome back to my channel, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So for today guys, andito tayo sa aming tiny garden. And alam nyo, may tanim kaming basil. Ayan, may mga basil kami dito guys sa aming tiny garden sa paso. So naisipan ko na magluto guys ng pesto pasta dahil nga meron kami mga basil. So, napakaganda rin guys kasi freshly picked ang gagamitin nating basil for our pesto pasta. So, tara samahin nyo ako guys na mag-harvest ng leaves ng basil and we will prepare later on our shrimp pesto pasta. Okay? Ayan guys. So, kuha na tayo ng mga leaves ng basil. Ayan. Ayan sila guys, so fresh na fresh. Ayan. Okay, so mag-harvest pa ako and then mamaya bababa na tayo, ibababa na natin tong na-harvest natin and we will start to cook our shrimp pesto pasta. So, ito na guys ang ating na-harvest na basil leaves. So, hinugasan ko na siya and draining na din. So, make sure guys na na-drain ang ating basil leaves. So, now, let's start how to prepare our pesto sauce for our shrimp pasta. Okay? Okay guys, so for our pesto sauce, unahin muna natin i-prepare ang ating pesto sauce. Okay, so ang ingredients po natin ay of course, meron tayong toasted na cashew nuts. And then meron din akong toasted na nuts. Okay? So, ginawa kong dalawa but pwedeng cashew nuts lang or yung peanut. Okay? So, itong peanut, pinili ko guys na hindi pa lutos. So, kanina, tinoasted ko na. Okay? And then, wala po akong parmesan cheese. So, I use cheddar cheese. But, much better if you use the parmesan cheese. And then, garlic. Of course, meron tayong olive oil. And then, of course, ito yung basil leaves natin. And, ang ating pang-season, of course, yung pepper and salt. And of course guys, gagamit tayo ng blender o kaya food processor to make our pesto sauce. Okay? So, I'm excited to prepare this dish. That's why, tara, let's start our sauce. How to make our sauce, okay? Okay guys, so let's put our toasted peanut. So, tansyahin nyo na lang. So, ang gagawin natin is half kilo of the pasta. So, I think okay na tong toasted peanut natin. Hindi ko lahat ilalagay. And then, of course, lalagay ko din ang ating cashew nuts. And then, ang ating garlic. Hindi ko lahat ilalagay ang ating garlic. Gagamitin ko yung remaining sa ating pasta mamaya. Okay, and then let's start. Okay guys, so let's put our basil leaves. And then let's put then our cheese. Okay, so blend ulit natin guys. Then, lagyan natin siya guys ng olive oil. Ayan. Okay. Okay guys, so let's put our pesto sauce sa ating bowl. Ayan, transfer na natin. Okay guys, so iset aside muna natin ang ating pesto sauce and then let's saute our pasta. Okay? Okay guys, so let's saute our pesto pasta. So ang ating ingredients of course is meron tayong garlic, onion, and then maglalagay ako guys ng cream cheese and ang ating sahog ay shrimp. And then of course yung ginawa natin na pesto sauce and of course pasta. Binoil ko na yung pasta guys and ang gagamitin ko ay penne. But you can use spaghetti, fettuccine and other kind of pasta. Okay? And then dito sa ating pan, I put butter. Okay, so let's saute our garlic. Kung wala naman kayong butter guys, use olive oil or pwede rin yung ordinary oil. Okay? Then, let's put the onion. Then, let's put the shrimp. So, lutuin lang natin ang ating shrimp and then let's put our cream cheese. Okay guys, so let's put our cream cheese. Sarap ito. Then pepper. And or salt. Then let's put some water guys, serve as sauce. Konting water lang. And then let it boil for maybe 2 to 3 minutes and then let's put the pasta, okay? Okay guys, so okay na tong ating shrimp. So let's put our pasta. So minsan guys, try nyo din gumawa ng pesto aside sa carbonara, spaghetti, para maiba naman ang inyong pasta na isi-serve sa ating loved ones. Okay? So, lagay na natin lahat, guys. Okay, haluin lang natin and then let's put our pesto sauce. Nilagyan ko siya ng twist, guys, dahil nga I put cream cheese para at least mas creamy. Okay, and then let's put some tablespoons of our pesto sauce. Ayan. Sarap nito. Haluin natin. Mas masarap guys na wag na nating lutuin ang ating pesto sauce. So, turn off the fire and then halu-haluin na lang natin. So, dagdagan nyo pa ng additional sauce kung kulang pa po. Okay? So, I put another tablespoons of our pesto sauce. Okay? So, all done guys. Next is our tasting time. Okay guys, so ito na ang ating pesto pasta. And of course, let's garnish with toasted peanut, may natira pa, and konting pour ng olive oil. Okay? And then, sprinkle with fried peanut. Okay guys, so all done. Ito na ang ating finished product. Okay? So of course, it's tasting time. So, it's tasting time guys. Ang masarap dito is the sauce. Kailangan namnamin ang sauce. Malasa yung pesto sauce natin guys. Nalalasahan ko yung freshness ng ating basil leaves saka yung garlic. Sarap niya. Recommended to guys. So sana guys, if you have time, matry nyo din ang ating version ng shrimp pesto pasta. Okay? So, of course, minsan, nagsasawa na rin tayo sa spaghetti, sa carbonara, or lasagna. So, try naman yung ibang pasta dish, which is pesto. Lalo na kung may basil kayo at home, siguro lagi kayong magluluto nitong pesto pasta. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Bye for now. Bye! Bye! Love it guys. I made it.